What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Singularitynet, also known as Agix, which has pumped up in value quite a bit guys, over 25% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just below 50 cents guys. So we're going to be going through its next target. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down? And mainly focusing on what is the best option right now. Is it to buy it, or is it too late, or is it simply to sell it, take out your profits, or holding on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours and coming days as well? And also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can Agix go, and is it a cryptocurrency worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So yes guys, the market is up, as you can see, in just about 4% in the last 24 hours, and we do have Agix as one of the top gainers. In the last hour itself, they gained 6%, over the last day 27%, over the week 20%, and over the month just about 7%. As you can see, major drops here last week and the week before that as well, and right now slowly starting to recover. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by just about 8% in the last 24 hours, making it $342 million in trading. And again, the trading volume is likely to pump up even higher than where it is at the moment in the coming hours, as more and more people will start to trade the crypto, more buyers, more sellers, and in general just a lot of traders, as the value is still increasing and is likely to increase over the coming hours as well. So we should see this go past about the $500 million mark over the next couple of days. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Agix, which at the moment is here in purple at 43 cents. However, we can see it trading at much higher value here in green at 50 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, the only bad thing is it's looking quite steep, meaning it's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, because it's only basing it off the last couple of hours. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Agix to have gone through a minimal drop in value. So again, it's likely to keep pumping up in value over the next couple of hours, up to about 55 or even 60 cents. But after that, it should slowly and steadily start to drop back down in value, down to about 46 to 47 cents is where I'm expecting Agix to be trading at by the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow, we should see Agix that was trading around 45 to 46 cents. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? We've got the blue and the orange line still looking bullish, still looking positive. However, it's still looking very steep, meaning once again it's not looking too realistic. So an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting from Singularitynet Agix from over the next week or so. So let's say over the next 7 to 8 days, early to mid next week, I'm expecting Agix to be trading around 40 to 43 cents by mid next week. However, that doesn't mean that it's gonna suddenly start to drop down in value. It's going to be a slow and steady process over the next week or so. And again, we are of course going to have red days, but we are also going to have green days when it's up, when it's likely to pump up in between here and there. But the red days are going to overtake the green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Agix over the next week or so. at the moment. However, if the crypto market goes through a major pump or a bull run or a price bump, then of course we are going to see an increase in value, but nothing like that is predicted from the crypto market at the moment. Now, moving on to the daily chart, we're not looking as bullish anymore or as steep. We still got the blue line going in a positive direction. However, as you guys can clearly see, the orange line is going the opposite direction, is looking quite bearish. So what we do have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. We've got the blue line looking bullish and the orange line looking bearish. So an overall fluctuation in value is what is meant to take place over the next 6 to 8 weeks according to the graph. So by early to mid May 2023, so over approximately next 2 months, we should be seeing Singularitynet trading around the 45 to 50 cents target. However, that's not what my predictions are. Over the next 2 months, we should be trading over the $1 mark, is what I'm expecting from Singularitynet. Again, it's going to be a slow and steady increase in value. We're not going to see a randomly shoot up to a $1 mark again. And that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 2 months. Of course not. We are likely to hit red days in between, or red weeks even, where it's likely to take a little step back, a little breather. But the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, which is all that matters right now. So we should be seeing Singularitynet trading over the $1 mark by mid to late May 2023. However, if there are any major changes to that, such as a crash that can have a negative impact, I will of course keep you guys updated on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Singularitynet. I'm not sure, I'm struggling to say that, but yeah, so far so good for the short term and for the long term as well. But in between, do expect it to drop back down in value here and there in between, as that is always part of the process. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Agix, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the $1 mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I have seen plenty of comments around this crypto saying it's a pump and dump, and others are saying it's going to hit the $10 mark, so on and so on. But again, to hit the $10 mark, we have to first hit the $1 mark. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Agix. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And also, if you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, comment them down below as well, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.